Hi everybody, Callie Rose here. We're learning What a Wonderful World in our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam for intermediate and advanced players. We're in the key of F. Our starting note is a C. And this is a bare bones play and sing along video because we're going to be adding a lot of fancy stuff during our session. I factored in a little solo. And you can do whatever you want with this solo. Because this is an ensemble class, some of you may just want to strum through it. That's fine. If you want to strum through it and hum along, terrific. If you want to improvise a melody as you hum, terrific. We can also finger pick. We can also do variations on the chord to do an improvised solo. And we're also going to find the notes in the melody and see if we can't connect them with the chord and come up with a chord melody. Lots of fun we're going to have playing in the sandbox. We've been doing a little under tempo, 65 beats per minute, this sort of shuffle, slow shuffle tempo. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Here's a solo. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself,